Some battles never make headlines, but they create the heroes who protect America. This is the real story of Captain Daniel Brooks, a U.S. Marine officer known for stepping forward when others step back. He was leading a small Marine unit deployed in the mountains of eastern Afghanistan.
On a cold morning, intel reported civilians trapped in a village under imminent attack.
Brooks didn't hesitate.
Gear up! We move now!
His voice carried authority.
As they approached the village, the ground shook. An ambush. The fight had begun.
He found a family hiding under debris, terrified, silent, losing hope.
Brooks heard over the radio. His squad at the north exit was pinned down.
Brooks pushed forward, breaking the ambush line to reach the trapped families.
He made a choice, the kind only a Marine would make. He went back into the fire alone.
He reached the squad and unleashed precise, unstoppable counterfire.
Brooks stayed behind, covering the rear, refusing to leave until everyone was safe. That opening allowed the trapped Marines to escape and regroup. Reinforcements finally arrived, and Brooks collapsed, not from fear, but from fighting too hard for too long. And across America, Brooks became a symbol of courage, duty, and sacrifice. He never called himself a hero, but his actions, they said everything. Every step was a risk, every breath a battle, but retreat wasn't an option.
He stood when the world shook, fought when fear tried to break him.
He survived. And when asked why he risked everything, he simply said, "They were my men."
Back home, the families he saved still tell his story with tears in their eyes.
He stood when the world shook, fought when fear tried to break him.
And when the world needs an unstoppable force, the U.S. Marines answer.
If this story moved you, stay with us. Hit subscribe so